Welcome. Hello, everyone. I'm Shashikant Yadav, and I welcome you all to a one of its kind course on legal research and writing. I'm a writer, researcher, and an academic with more than 7 years of experience in legal research and writing. I have been associated with University of Dundee, Scotland as an academic researcher, and I am a recognized scholar with the Centre for Social Legal Studies, University of Oxford 2021. Additionally, I'm a legal writing consultant on Walter Kluwer State Tax Day updates and an energy law fellow with National Law University Delhi Center for Environmental Law and Policy Research. I worked on a number of research projects, including IIM Ahmedabad's projects on Supreme Court analysis of India's energy sector. My work has been published and featured with The Hindu, The Wire, The Ecologist, The Hindu Business Line, Journal of Energy and Natural Resources Law, Economic and Political Weekly, among many others. Now, a little about the course. How to approach legal research and make it impactful. We are rarely taught the art of legal research and writing as a discipline in our law schools. However, still legal research and writing remain imperative skill to excel in any legal field, be it litigation, corporate, consultation, academics, or policy professionals. A course on legal research and writing in a law school gets a theoretical treatment that hinders skill-based learning. Recent graduates, once out in the practice of law, face a tremendous amount of pressure to take a 360-degree turn and understand the applicability of law to the facts. Lawyers spend ample of time in interpreting, analyzing, systematically arranging facts in law, and communicating their argument. Each of these stages requires systematic research and writing exercises. Not only this, surveying, data analysis, and the empirical trends also highlight the need for a policy framework, and therefore think tanks, law firms, and other knowledge management firms look for law professionals with an extensive publication and research record. In this course, I will be working with you to implement workable models in legal research by understanding various approaches to legal scholarship. We will understand the importance of methodologies of aligning legal research and writing with the outcomes. After taking this course, you will be able to understand the fine nuances of legal research and legal writing. Consecutively, you will be able to develop a goal oriented and result driven approach in legal research.